Previously on Ingaia Show.
Oh my gosh. Did you guys see the did y'all see the beginning of that video? Like, I'ma need y'all to hand me my crown. Hand me my crown? Can I have my crown, please? Can I have my crown? I am so excited to film this video, y'all. Like, y'all have no idea. I'm about to be red. 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 I'm about to be red.
I'm about to be red.
A red she devil. If you guys are new to my channel, I am Gaia, also known as Cyber Mother Nature, also known as the Switch Up Queen. Hashtag, wait. Hashtag me, baby. Hashtag me. If you are not new to my channel and you are a returning subscriber, thank you for subscribing to my channel and thank you for messing with my content. Thank you for liking me. Thank you for vibing with me. Thank you for coming to my show. Okay, I'm about to be red, y'all. I am so about to be red. Okay, I just need to get into this video. I can't even talk right now. Like, I can barely talk. Like, I'm literally about to turn red. So let's just get into it. Let's just go. Okay. Alright, so first I'm gonna start with my brows. So I took a black eyebrow pencil, the blackest of the blackest, whatever black you have, the darkest one, and I did my eyebrows really thick. I wanted them to be very bold, like bold. And now I'm gonna just start painting my face. I have this red face paint. I am basically painting my face as if I am doing my makeup kind of, but not really. But as you can see, I'm just painting everything but my eyebrows, my eyes. You kind of get the gist. I literally just started painting everything. I was like, whatever is skin, it has to go ASAP. So then I realized my eyebrows, they weren't dark enough. So I grabbed some black eyeshadow. Any black eyeshadow will do. And I just filled in my eyebrows. Give them a little fill because they need it, honey. And just start painting again. I just started painting. I just felt as if my face was a canvas. And I just painted away. Y'all, I got so carried away. I even painted. Y'all see me painting my part? I was like, look, I am red right now, and I need to turn red. I painted my edges. I painted my ears. Like, I was feeling red. Y'all see that hickey? Y'all, I'm chapped for that. But ignore it. Ignore it. Let's get back to the video. But just painting and paint away. Paint, honey. Like, that paint actually felt really good on my face. Just like, I don't know, I'm really weird. You know, the sad part is my skin typically doesn't like foreign objects, but I didn't break out after this, which is really weird. So this is when things got a little chaotic. A little chaotic, you know. I had some technical difficulties. The problem is that I was painting and painting over layers instead of letting the layers dry. I kind of just kept painting. I don't know, I just was happy to be painting. I was just so happy, a little too happy. Then this is when I realized I really need help. I started putting powder and it wasn't even dry yet, y'all. Like, I basically messed up. But understand, it's okay to mess up. It's okay to fall down, because we are not like everyone else. We get back up. Well, everyone gets back up. Oh, snap. But y'all see this? Y'all see me painting over that because I thought I could fix it, but I couldn't. But look, I had to give me a little snack. I started peeling at layers, realizing that, wow, like, I really was failing. I really almost messed this whole look up. I started peeling and then trying to paint it back in, and like, when I tell you, literally what I had to do is I basically went and I rubbed half of my face off, and then I repainted and I let that layer dry, and then I came back to the camera because y'all see, here I am. I'm back to the camera, and that's when I started doing the second layer. But I had to get that first layer off because it was terrible. My forehead was fine. 2 layers is good for your face. I feel like that's definitely pigmented enough, but definitely let that dry. So once it was all dry, I set my face with red eyeshadow, like my entire face, and it had a really satiny finish. As you can see, I fixed it. I'm the queen. So onto eyeshadow. So I have this eyeshadow. It's not really eyeshadow, it was like this shadow powder, but it wasn't dark enough, so I grabbed my crayon case. I grabbed the black shade, which is a really dark black. It's a really good black, I'm not gonna lie. I would definitely say the black is the best eyeshadow in the palette. No shade, I like this palette. So basically I'm blending that out with the little shadow stuff that I had. I got it from Walmart, but I can't find any tags for my Halloween stuff from Walmart. So now I'm gonna use some Plouise base to cut the crease. Honestly, whenever I cut a crease, I honestly don't go for the most cut look unless I'm going for a super cut. However, with this look, I definitely said, hey, we are gonna cut. Like, we're cutting today. Like, you need to see the cut. I had this eyeshadow that I did not, I got it from this this electric palette. It wasn't working out, so I decided to mix the white and the red shade from my crayon case palette that you saw before, and I felt like that was way better. It came out to this white with a nice little red feel to it. It wasn't too red because I didn't put too much red, y'all. Like, I really made sure it was only a little bit to tint. And yeah, now I'm gonna put some eyeliner on. I'm using NYX Epic Wear liquid eyeliner, obviously the shade black, and I'm line it, honey. I'm getting better at liner, but I hate liner, y'all. Like, it stresses me out. It really does. But I've been trying to take my time And now I'm about to do some contouring. I'm taking that shadow powder that I got from Walmart, and it's actually mainly for costume makeup, so it's perfect. And it's like, it's not too dark, whereas black would be too dark. It's just dark enough to sculpt, and it's perfect, y'all see. I'm gonna use it again, but I actually started putting some black eyeliner in my waterline because, you know, I had to darken it up a little bit. In between this, y'all have to realize I'm very scatterbrained. I literally just started putting black paint on my lip because I really wanted to do the top lip thing with, you know, a red bottom, and I wanted to let that dry. So then I went back to my face and I highlighted. So I'm basically using the same white shade that's on my lid to highlight, and honestly it worked really well. I feel like I really looked chiseled, you know, like very sculpted. I was so proud of myself. This is my first time doing this, y'all. So I went back to my eyes, kind of blended it a little bit, and filled in my eyebrows a little bit more. I really wanted them to like pop and be boxy. Then kind of clean it up because I felt like you could see a little bit of my skin right there. And yes, look at me, I'm giving face honey. Now we're about to throw on some more paint on my top lip. Basically doing your painting in layers is really the best thing, but try to make sure you're really dry when you're painting. So now I'm taking this red lipstick and I'm putting it on my bottom lip. I really didn't need it, y'all. This is when I started to get really snazzy, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna flick it out. I want to look like I have like a little mustache as a mouth, and I just flicked it. I was like, ooh, it looks like I'm smiling. I loved it, and I just look so cute. I just started to contour a little bit more. I wanted a little bit more, y'all. And I just kind of like, ooh, I look so cute. Ooh, so cute. And you're gonna see me grab that powder again, and I'm gonna kind of contour under here, just to kind of like, I don't know what I thought I was doing, but I just felt like it would just look cool, you know, just to make my face look a little bit different, and make my chin really pronounced, as you will. Is that what you would say? So now I'm done.
Shawty gon' get that paper. Shawty tongue rip like razor. Shawty got wick, got flavor. Part of my tits and makeup. Pay her. Never didn't hit that layup. Shawty ain't with them.
Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Oh my god, y'all, I cannot believe that I painted myself red. Guys, like, my whole body is red. Not really my whole body, but most of my body is red. Oh my god! Oh my god! I did it, y'all. I love this look. It looks perfect with my black nails. It's sexy. It's giving you snapshot. I'm giving you glamorous devil. I'm giving you queen of the dead, honey. You wish. You wish. I look tasteful. Like, I look good. Like, I'm really feeling myself. Like, feeling myself, understatement. Feeling myself a lot. Yes, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you have not already, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can get more awesome videos, because Gaiaween is in full effect. And I heard through a grapevine that in my next episode, let's just make sure all the haters are gone. Okay, so I heard in my next episode, I'm gonna be carving a pumpkin. That's what I heard. Don't ask nobody. But that's what I heard, y'all. I didn't even paint my armpits. My armpits are definitely not painted, but look, I look perfect, y'all. I genuinely wanna cry right now because I look so freaking cute. I'm about to take some awesome pictures for Instagram. I'm about to get some cute TikToks. I'm just about to get all the looks. So make sure you follow me on Instagram @_Ingaia, okay? And make sure you guys show me some love in the comments. Let me know what you thought about this look. It's your girl Gaia, and outside.